Now this is CBSE board question paper of class 12. This question paper has come in March 2024. This is set number 65/1/2. This is section A. This section comprises multiple choice questions, MCQs of 1 mark each. Its first question is, let theta be the angle between two unit vectors A and B such that sine theta is 3/5. Then unit vector A dot unit vector B is equal to, there are 4 options. Now unit vector is equal to this, unit vector B is equal to this, and unit vector A dot unit vector B is equal to this. Now this is a formula for cos theta. Cos theta can be written as √1 minus sine square theta. Substitute the values and you will get plus minus 4/5. So C is the option. Now the second question, the integrating factor of the differential equation x dy by dx minus y is equal to x4 minus 3x is, there are 4 options. Now this is the question, divide by x, you will get dy by dx minus 1 by xy is equal to x4 minus 3x upon x. So this is equal to dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p is equal to minus 1 by x. So integrating factor is equal to e raised to power integrate minus 1 by x dx. When you calculate it, you will get x minus 1. So C is the option. Now the third question, if the direction cosines of a line are √3k, 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 then the value of k is, there are 4 options. Now it means cos alpha is √3k, cos beta is √3k, cos gamma is √3k. You know cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Substitute the values. You will get k square is equal to 1 by 9. It means k is equal to plus minus 1 by 3. So D is the option. Now the fourth question, a linear programming problem deals with the optimization of A. There are 4 options. First is logarithmic function, B is linear function, C is quadratic function, D is exponential function. It is linear function. A linear programming problem deals with the linear function. So B is the option. Now the fifth question, if probability of A given B is equal to probability of A dash given B, then which of the following statements is true? There are 4 options. Now probability of A given B is equal to probability of A dash given B. This is given to us. Write its formula, write its formula. Now probability of B, they are cancelled. So you have probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A dash intersection B. This thing can be written as probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. And if you take this to this side, it is 2 times probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of B. So probability of A intersection B is half of probability of B. So C is the option. Now the sixth question, if Aij and Aij represent the ijth element of its cofactor of this in matrices respectively, the value of A11, A21 plus A12, A22 plus A13, A23 is, there are 4 options. Now A11 is 2, A12 is minus 3, A13 is 5, and find the cofactors. You will get the cofactors, and when you substitute the values here and you will get 0. So A is the option. Seventh question, the derivative of sine x square with respect to x at x is equal to √pi is, there are 4 options. Y is equal to sine x square, dy by dx is cos x square, d by dx x square. You will get 2x cos x square. dy by dx as x is equal to √pi, it will be minus 2 √pi. So C is the option. Now the 8th question, the order and degree of the differential equation this respectively are, there are 4 options. Here order is 2 and degree is 1. So that is the answer. C is the option. Now the 9th question, the vector with terminal point A this and initial point B this is, there are 4 options. Now here initial point is this, terminal point is this, so the required vector is BA. So BA is equal to, this is equal to minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. So D is the option. Now the 10th question, the distance of point P, A, B, C from y axis is, now given point is P, A, B, C. Point on y axis is 0, B, 0. Distance will come out to be √a² plus c². So C is the option. Now the 11th question. The number of corner points of the feasible region determined by constraints x greater than 0, y greater than 0, x plus y greater than 4 is. There are 4 options. Now draw the graph. If you draw the graph, that is the portion. So corner points are 2, 1 and 2. So C is the answer. So corner points are 2. So C is the answer. Now 12th question. If A and B are two non-zero square matrices of same order such that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square, then which of the following is true? Now this is given A plus B whole square. Now this is given A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square. When this happens, now if A plus B whole square, it means it is the multiplication of these two, A plus B, A plus B. You multiply these two, you will get A square plus BA plus AB plus B square. Now we want A square plus B square, we don't want this. If I write AB as minus BA, then it will be cancelled. So write AB as minus BA. So it will be equal to A square plus B square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square if AB is equal to minus BA. So this statement is true if AB is equal to minus BA. So B is the option. Now the 13th question. A relation R defined on a set A which is equal to set of all x's such that x belongs to z and x lies between 0 to 10 as R is equal to xy such that x is equal to y is given to be an equivalence relation. The number of equivalence classes is. There are 4 options here. Now x is equal to y and x lies between 0 to 10. So this is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9 and 10, 10. So there are 11 number. So D is the option. Now the 14th question. If a matrix has 36 elements, the number of possible order it can have is. There are 4 options. The number of elements in a matrix are equal to the product of number of rows and columns. Now 36 is equal to, it can be written as 36 into 1, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 1 into 36, 18 into 2, 12 into 3, 9 into 4, 6 into 6. So number of possible order it can have is 9. So D is the option. Now 15th question. The number of points where fx is greatest integer function where x lies between 0 to 3 is not differentiable is. There are 4 options. You have to find the correct one. Now fx is this greatest integer function where x lies between 0 to 3. It is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So there are 2 points where it is not differentiable. So number of points where it is not differentiable is 2. So B is the option. Let fx be a continuous function on AB and differentiable on AB. Then this function fx is strictly increasing in AB if there are 4 options. Now it is strictly increasing. This B is the option. So we all know when it is strictly increasing. So B is the option. Now the 17th question. If matrix x plus y 2 5xy is equal to 6 2 5 8, then the value of this is. There are 4 options. Now from this matrix, from this we will find the value of xy and we will substitute that value in this equation. Now if this is equal to this, it means x plus y is equal to 6, xy is equal to 8. By substitution method, find the value of xy. So by substitution method, I have found the value of xy. If value of y is 2 and 4, when y is 2, x is 4. When y is 4, x is 2. Substitute these values in the equation 24 by x plus 24 by y. When I substitute these values, the answer is 18 in both the cases. So D is the option. If integration of 1 upon 4 plus x square dx from 0 to a is equal to pi by 6, then the value of a is. There are 4 options. Now this is equal to pi by 6. 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2. Now when you integrate this, I'll get 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2 from 0 to a is equal to pi by 6. So 1 by 2 tan inverse a by 2 is equal to pi by 6. On the next page, I'll find the value of a. When you solve this, you will get the value of a, which is equal to 2 root 3. So B is the option. Now question number 19 and 20 are assertion and reason based questions. 2 statements are given. One labeled assertion A and another labeled reason R. Select the correct answer from the codes A, B, C, D as given below. Now A, both assertion A and reason R are true and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. B, both assertion A and reason R are true and reason R is not the correct explanation of the assertion A. C, assertion A is true but reason R is false. D, assertion A is false but reason R is true. Now the 19th question, assertion A. A line in space cannot be drawn perpendicular to x, y and z axis simultaneously. Cannot be drawn. Now I am going to read it again. Assertion A line in space cannot be drawn perpendicular to x, y and z axis simultaneously. This is a true statement. Reason R, for any line making angles alpha, beta, gamma with the position direction of x, y and z axis respectively, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is 1. So assertion A is true, reason R is true. Both the statements are true, but reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A, so B is the option. Now 20th question, assertion A. For matrix A, this, where theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi, determinant of A belongs to 2 to 4. Reason R, cos theta belongs to minus 1 to 1 for every theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. First I'll check assertion A is true or false. Now for that, first you will find the determinant of A. Determinant of A will come out to be 2 plus 2 cos square theta. Now we know cos theta lies between minus 1 to 1. So cos square theta lies between 0 to 1. So multiply by 2, you will get 0 less than equal to 2 cos square theta less than equal to 2. After adding 2, we will get 0 plus 2 less than equal to 2 cos square theta plus 2 less than equal to 4. It means determinant of A lies between 2 to 4. So determinant of A lies between 2 to 4. It means assertion A is a true statement. And now come to the reason R. Reason R, cos theta belongs to minus 1 to 1 for every theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. This is a false statement. For every theta belongs to 0 to pi, then it is true. So reason R is false. So here assertion A is true statement, reason R is false statement. So C is the option.